If you want to know how to highlight in Lucidchart, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to highlight text inside your Lucidchart diagrams so you can emphasize important information, make your flowcharts easier to read, and draw attention to key labels or notes. This is a really useful trick whether you're building process maps, org charts, wireframes, or any other visual document. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software guides like this. Let's jump in. First, log into Lucidchart and open the document you want to edit. You can either open an existing diagram or start fresh with a blank document if you're creating something new. Once your file is open, look for the text you want to highlight. This could be text inside a shape, a label, or a standalone text box. To edit it, simply double-click the text box or shape containing the text. That will put you into text editing mode so you can select exactly what you want to emphasize. Now click and drag to highlight the specific words or phrase you want to stand out. You do not need to select the entire text box unless you want all of it highlighted. Just choose the portion that matters most. For example, you might highlight a keyword, an important instruction, a heading, or a deadline. Once the text is selected, head up to the top toolbar and click the T icon, which stands for Text Formatting Options. Inside that menu, look for the highlighter option. This is the feature Lucidchart uses to apply highlight style color to text. Click Highlighter and then choose a color from the palette. You'll usually see a range of highlight colors, so pick the one that best fits your diagram. If you want something bold and attention-grabbing, choose a bright color. If you want a softer look, go with a lighter shade that still keeps the text readable. As soon as you pick a color, the selected text will appear highlighted immediately. Take a moment to review the result and make sure it looks clean and easy to read. If the color feels too strong, you can always change it. If you want to highlight more text, just repeat the same process. Double-click, select the text, open the text menu, choose Highlighter, and apply your preferred color again. This is especially helpful when you want to organize information visually without cluttering your diagram. Highlighting can make certain steps, warnings, or key labels stand out, which makes your Lucidchart documents much easier for other people to understand at a glance. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference in how professional and polished your work looks. So that's how to highlight in Lucidchart. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to look. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments what software you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.